When it comes to roll-off dumpster rental in Lubbock, Texas, 806 Waste Management is your trusted partner. Our roll-off dumpsters are perfect for any project size, from small home renovations to large construction sites. We offer a range of dumpster sizes to meet your specific needs. Whether you're clearing out your garage, remodeling your kitchen, or managing a major construction project, we've got you covered. At 806 Waste Management, we pride ourselves on exceptional customer service. Our team is always ready to help you choose the right dumpster and schedule convenient delivery and pickup times. Our efficient and reliable service ensures that your dumpster is delivered on time and placed exactly where you need it. And when you're done, we'll promptly pick it up and handle your disposal. Safety is our top priority at 806 Waste Management. Our dumpsters are designed to be easy to load and safe to use, ensuring a hassle-free experience. We also adhere to all local regulations and guidelines for waste disposal, so you can rest assured that your waste is handled responsibly. Ready to make your project easier and more efficient? Visit our website at www.806wastemanagement.com or call 806-778-1311 to book your roll-off dumpster rental today. 806 Waste Management, keeping Lubbock clean, one dumpster at a time.